So in this episode, I've got an interesting question for all of you. Is it true or false that there exists a continuous function from all real numbers to all real numbers which takes each real value exactly 2021 times? If the answer is yes, we will have to construct the function. And if the answer is no, we will have to prove that this is impossible. Both problems seem pretty hard to answer. At least, we can't come up with a direct answer straight off the bat. A good trick to use whenever we are solving unknown math problems is to solve an easier version of it. What if we change the 2021 in the question above into something lesser? Would this be easier to solve? If we change 2021 to 1, then the answer is an obvious yes. Any linear graph would do. What if n equals 2? Well, let's think about this. For any continuous graph, for a function to take every real value exactly 2 times, there must be a turning point as the function changes direction. However, to get to the points beyond the first turning point, the graph must change direction again. But doing so, there will be some real values which were taken on by the function for at least 3 times. The whole proof can be made more rigorous using Rolle's theorem and intermediate value theorem, but I wouldn't present it here. However, you should see that this is clearly not possible. Let's move on to n equals 3. We can start off by drawing some basic graph. So all the real numbers in this portion, except at the dotted line at the boundary, has been sampled 3 times. So it's off limits as we continue to sketch our function. If we continue on towards the right, the function will eventually have to turn down again. And by turning down, just enough that it touches the dotted line before resuming its upward trend. We managed to clear out another portion of the real numbers which has been sampled exactly 3 times. What if now we repeat this pattern indefinitely on both sides? Doing so will definitely give us the correct function. We have created a real function which takes each real value exactly 3 times. Inspired by this, we can generalize this approach to build a function which takes on each real value exactly 2021 times. We can just create more waves at each layer. As an example, this is what the function which takes each real value exactly 5 times would look like. If we want 2021, we just need to make sure that there are 1010 peaks at every layer. So the answer to the question is yes, we can indeed construct such a function. It looks like a daunting task from the very beginning. But as always, we can start solving an easier problem to see whether doing so provides new insights into solving our original problem. Okay, we have come to the end of the video and I will see you in the next one. Until then.